This is an emergency. Please stand by. This message applies to the following areas. District of Columbia, D.C., effective until further notice. At around 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, it was confirmed that a fleet of Russian bomber planes, ships, soldiers, and missiles are on a direct collision course for the continental United States. The cities to be impacted by the bombs and missiles are listed as the following: Brooklyn, Atlanta, Cincinnati, Wichita, Phoenix, Tucson, Chula Vista, San Jose, Lubbock, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Kansas City, San Diego, San Francisco, Huntington, Indianapolis, Riverside, New Orleans, Chicago, Oakland, North Hempstead, Boston, Honolulu, Colorado Springs, and Pittsburgh. If you live in a 450-mile radius of these areas, seek an underground shelter now. The bombs are to strike within the hour. Bring all necessary items to last about a month.